Welcome. In front of me is a Cubot King Kong Mini 3, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So before we get started, I do recommend grabbing something firm but like very thin. So I will be using a SIM eject tool, which we don't really need it, but because the little point right here is made out of metal, I can wedge it out. My fingernails aren't strong enough to basically whip that out of here. You could try to use them. All you would need to do is just literally pull that out, which you do have a space to kind of like wedge your fingernail in there. But I don't have adamantium claws, so I'm just gonna use this instead. And as you can see, it just comes out, and from here you can plop in your SIM card. Now this device supports two different SIM cards, so you can use one on either side. And if you're planning to use just one SIM card, you can just place it on either top or bottom. It does not matter. Now what does matter is when placing the card, make sure that it is clipped in there fully. There we go, like this. If you flip it over, the card shouldn't be falling out of the tray. From there, insert it back into your device. And you can see the SIM card is automatically being recognized. I'm going to put in my SIM card pin to unlock it, and that's it. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.